So welcome to my video. We're making cheesy chicken broccoli and rice casserole. So of course I'm vegetarian, or as I like to say, vegan-ish. So this recipe will not include any meat. And just for clarification, this is a vegetarian recipe and not a vegan recipe. So let's get into the ingredients. We're going to be using jasmine rice, broccoli florets. This is Earth Balance butter. This is Campbell's cream of potato. This is Gardeins chickenless chicken strips. This is just vegan mayo. This is sharp cheddar cheese and cornflakes. So these are the ingredients we're going to need today for this recipe. Let me make sure we got everything. We're going to get started, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please thumb up this video if you enjoy my cooking videos and you want to see more vegetarian or vegan recipes made. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, this is a Pinterest recipe. You know I love to try Pinterest recipes, add my own little spin. Sometimes I follow the recipe to a T. So like always, I will have the recipe linked down below. Please enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up for more videos. Okay guys, so we're going to turn the heat to about medium so we can get ready to fry up this vegan chicken. Here you're going to see me coating the pan with some olive oil. And then right here, I'm checking to see if it's hot enough. So it's not quite hot enough. Now that it's hot enough, drop them on in. And remember, we're also going to be putting this in the oven. So I'm cooking them according to the package instructions, but we don't have to make them all the way done because we're going to cook them some more in the oven. And also you see me here pouring some vegetable broth to cook the rice. Thumbs up this video or comment down below if you want me to do a video on how I make my rice. Here you see me preparing 2 tablespoons of Earth Balance vegan butter to be melted as a part of this recipe. Y'all are not gonna believe this, or maybe y'all are gonna believe this. So I went to prepare the mayo for this recipe and I freaking looked at it and I was like, why does it look kind of weird on the front? Like that yellow, that's not supposed to be there, right? So I checked the date. My unprepared self, September 28th, 2018. So I gotta trash this and I'm not gonna use it. But like the real chef that I am, came up with a different idea. So instead of mayo, babe bought this one time for something she cooked. Let's check the date, 11/15/18. So we're good there. So I'm gonna use this instead of mayo. And I feel like it'll still taste good. We'll see. I'll let you guys know. I just wanted to tell you my little faux pas. Let's keep going. Here you see me measuring out the sour cream. So basically where it said mayo, I just did the same measurements but with sour cream. And don't forget, the recipe is in the description box. This is a vegetarian recipe. Well, I'm making it a vegetarian recipe. It's actually not a vegetarian recipe. The recipe originally calls for chicken, like real chicken, and cream of chicken. So Here I'm just measuring out the cornflakes, and I already measured out the cheese previously. I just crunched them up to the size that I wanted them, because remember, these are going to go on top of the casserole. So it's kind of up to your liking. You can have big pieces or small pieces. Here I'm cutting up that chicken that we made earlier, and you just saw me preheat the oven for the casserole. So for this bag of broccoli, it was a steamable bag. So I steamed it for half the time that it recommended on the bag. And now I'm cutting it up into smaller pieces, and it'll finish cooking when it's baking. Here you see me coating the pan that we're going to cook the casserole in with the vegan butter. Now you see me adding the sour cream to the chicken, and then realizing that I'm going to mix all the ingredients into the actual dish, like you see me doing here. You didn't see me place it in there, but I did put that butter in there as well, the melted butter. We're just going to combine all those ingredients. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, once it's all mixed up, I'm going to press it down a little bit, add those cornflakes to the top. This is what it looks like before. I'm going to place it in the oven. (350 degrees) for a total of how many minutes? Guess, guys, guess, guys, guess. 35. And after that 35 minutes, this is what it looks like. Nice crunchy top, very soft in the middle. Cheesy, but not too cheesy. Hot, savory, so delicious. The perfect combination of flavors to where it's not too overpowering. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you love watching our cooking videos and our vlogs and our lifestyle videos and every other thing that we post, everything that we can teach you and we can entertain you with. Subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss when we upload. Come on, guys. Give this video a thumbs up so I can get to other people if you really enjoyed this video. Bye, guys.